Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and in this Laravel 7 video tutorial we will learn about the view. So these are the points that we are going to cover in this video. We will see what is the view, how we can make it, how we can call it from the router and controller, and how we can pass the data to router and controller to the view. I'm just going to tell you the two more points. If you are a very beginner in the Laravel, then I'm going to recommend you that watch our previous video which is related to the controller and the router, because this is a complete series and you must have to aware to the router and the controller before to the view. And in the upcoming video I'm just going to tell you about the view component, because this is the part and the new feature inside the Laravel 7. So please also watch this video. So now let's start with the point number one. What is the view? Actually, view is your presentation layer. So the anything that you are watching here on this screen, this is actually a view. So basically in the view uh, file we always write the HTML, CSS, design, everything that we can be present. Alright, so now let's see how we can make it. For that, first of all you have to go inside the resource, then view, then you can just make a new file here. Like you just want to make a new file like sample dot blade dot php, right? After this, here you can just write some HTML, complete HTML code, but even if you just write a single tag, this is also fine. So let's say I'm just going to write here sample page. So now this is the simplest view page, but how we can call it or how we can show it here? For that we must have to make a router inside the web.php file which is present inside the route folder. So let's go on the web.php and here just route here route colon view and put your route name. Let's say this is sample, and now let's put your view name. This is also a sample, and you not need to put here blade.php, just put here normally sample. And after that let's put here slash and just write here sample. Now you can see that you got this page. Right, so we complete the 3 points. Now we can go for the fourth point. In this video I am not going to make a controller. I already have a controller which is let's go inside the HTTP controller and the user. Here you can see that we already have a controller, and I'm just going to call my view from here, right? So let's write here return and view and your view name. Let's say my view name is sample, right? So let's find out the route. So we don't have the route for the controller file, so let's put a route like get, and here just put here user, because our file name is users, that's why it's related to it. And the second parameter, put your controller name users at the rate index, which is your function name. I already told you in the detail in the last video. So now let's try to put here user, and here you can see that there is same page also here. So now let's say we just want to pass some data from web.php to view or controller to view. Then how we can pass it? So for that let's see first of all in the with the controller. So let's say I have a name array and the value of it is like Anil Sidhu, right? And in the blade.php let's come here and just use double curly brackets, just put here dollar name, and now let's see what we actually got. Now you can see that we got the name here, right? So how we can pass the data from web.php? For that you can also use a third parameter and just pass here like name, and here name is like Sam Sid. So now let's just put here simple URL, and here you can see that we got the Sam Sid in the same variable. Alright, So let's go for a last point, that how we can, let's say this file is present inside the folder in the view in nav folder, then how we can call it? Because if we are just going to try to call it, then it will give us a error, this is sample view is not present. For that you must have to use folder name dot your file name, right? So if I use just simply like this, folder name dot file name, then we can simply call it. Now here you can see that the both are working fine. So this is all about the view. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.